Hi guys, and I'm going to talk to you about your homework. Your homework for the next week and a bit, okay? And that is, I'm going to get you to do a picture, or a series of pictures of yourself on a piece of paper. Now this piece of paper here is actually, well, I'll just show you something. This bit of paper here, that is A4. This is A3. And this size is A2. That's a little thing for you to learn. Okay, A2 is probably the best size for you because it gives you a bit of space. Okay, it's a word. So you are going to create a series of pictures about yourself. Okay, so here are 3 things that I want you to think about. And you'll know that I've done this backwards so it comes out. Okay, the 3 things I want you to think about are story, and that is telling the story of your life through pictures. So you might have pictures of you as a baby, you might have pictures of you doing certain things like sport, you might have pictures of you doing special activities, you might have a picture of your members of your family, you may have things of you when you're a baby, when you've started school, or right up to the age you are now. Okay, so first of all, what you're making is going to be telling a story. Secondly, I want you to think about colour. Now you can get some of this paper here. This is black paper, so you can use it. It's a bit boring, but we have got it at school. You might like to get a colour that really represents you. You know, maybe your colour is red for passion, or blue for coolness, or green because you love nature. Think about that. Think about colour, okay? Think about that too with fonts, because I'm going to set you a challenge that I want you to include quite large words. Now that's coming up backwards, but that word is friendship. So I want you to think of between 5 and 10 words that really express who you are. They might be who you're like as a person, they might be things you love, or they might be things you like doing, okay? So those things that you do, like that, those words, choose a font that you really love that expresses you, a bit like we did when we were doing our tote trays, alright? Also, what I want you to do is I want you to think about the colour you're going to choose those. Again, what's a colour that represents you? Now the third thing to think about is layout. Layout is really important. That is how you're going to place things on a page. Now quite often people will go, right, I'll just bang that on there and I'll stick that on there, and before you know it they've got a big mess. The way you set things out is really important, okay? So don't glue or stick anything down until you've got it all there. Then take time to consider how you are going to position things, okay? So you might go, I'm going to position these in a line, or I'm putting them diagonally. Your goal is that things look good. Now some of the pictures you have might be pictures like this picture here that I love. It's a picture I have of me in Switzerland about place. Some of these pictures might be pictures about you at a certain time in your life, like a baby, okay? Some of them might be things that you are doing, okay? So you're going to put those together, and you're going to make an amazing piece of art that people are going to look at and go, wow, that's Kira, oh, that's Amelia, that's fantastic. Okay, so 3 things we're going to focus on. See if we got the right one. Story, pictures that tell the story of your life. 2, colour, how can you really use colour? Maybe you use 2 different colours, maybe you use borders. And 3, layout. How are you going to lay things out? Are you going to put them in order of age? Are you going to put them on the side? How are you going to make it so it looks really good? Remember, with layout, you don't stick down something till the very end. Okay, so that's your homework assignment. It is due on the 23rd of February, which gives you just over a week, about 9 days to do it. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, come and see me.